Hello, it's springtime in the garden, and I've brought some beneficial insects to look at today. Now that plants are growing and the sun is out, we're seeing a lot more bugs in the garden, and sometimes it's difficult to tell whether that bug is a good bug or this bug is a bad bug, especially since there are some types people are unfamiliar with. And so we're going to look at some really cool things that you might not normally think of as good bugs. We have syrphid flies. These are hover flies or flower flies. They go by a lot of different names. And on these, the adults are pollinators, and the really aggressive predators are the maggots. They are on the undersides of leaves going through and just eating aphids like nobody's business. Lady beetles, of course, very common. The adult lady beetles do eat aphids and small, soft-bodied insects, but the larvae on lady beetles are also incredibly voracious predators, snapping up all sorts of little yummy bugs that might be destroying your plants. We have some oddballs here. Rove beetles. They're very fast, very predacious, and very distinctive with their short wings, but most people never notice them because they're close to the ground near the soil. We have lacewings, green lacewings, and the lacewing larvae also is a predator along with those. We have a strange group of flies called robber flies. They're also big eaters on any insect that is smaller than them. The praying mantis, we'll see them everywhere. They're also good bugs. We have parasitoids, which are tiny wasps that actually lay their eggs in other bugs to kill them. One critter you see a lot in the late summer is the wheel bug. It's a big assassin bug, has a huge long beak. It might bite you, it's painful, so leave it alone. But it's such a beneficial animal. It eats all sorts of things that might be feeding on your plants. So look at it, learn it, and then just leave it alone to do its job. For more information about beneficial insects that you might find in your garden, check out this fact sheet.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.